Unfortunately, the tool that I'm thinking about doesn't work very well in this situation. So I think for this problem, we're just going to go ahead and very carefully do this the usual way. 6 minus 5 is 1. 11 minus 4 is 7. I am correctly remembering to borrow each time. 11 minus 2 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 7 minus 7 is 0. Now, I am taking a moment, and I am going to double check my work, because I am not at all confident in using this this method right now. 6 minus 5 is indeed correctly 1. 11 minus 4 is 7. 11 minus 2 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, I believe this is correct. 11,971. One Silver Key says that big number subtraction is usually a calculator situation because of too many numbers too close together, and that is absolutely 100% valid. Again, there isn't a lot of mathematical value to problems like this. There isn't a lot of educational value to problems like this. All they do is frustrate students when they make small errors that leads them to wrong answers. So yeah, 389, 116 minus 365, 256. Again, we are going to very carefully go through this. 6 minus 6 is 0. 11 minus 5 is 6, making this 0. Borrowing again, and remembering to borrow every single time, makes this 10 minus 2 is 8. Also, this notation is super messy. Like, look at this. You're supposed to be able to follow someone's work, and I'm trying to be as neat as I can, and look at all this just absolute gross work. I don't know. I'm not a fan of this method. What can I say? 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Our answer should be 23,860, but I am going to double check my work once again. Good. 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 Good, good, good. Okay, I do believe our answer is correct. 23,860. 2 down, 2 to go. Now, this really makes me want to subtract 200,000. Okay, so what I'm going to actually do on this is I'm actually going to subtract 200,000, which gives me 117,225. And then the difference that I would then have to make up is 886. And then I can add them. So remember before, if we did like 13 plus 39, we could add 40 and then subtract 1? Well, it's the same thing. I'm subtracting 200,000 and then I'm adding 886. This is a way that should absolutely get me the correct answer, and I am much better at adding, as you can tell, than I am at subtracting. I got 118,111. However, just to be sure, I'm going to go back and I'm going to do this the old school borrowing way, because I want to make sure that I have caught that habit in myself of borrowing without borrowing, and I want to make sure that I've actually seen that and that I've actually corrected that. Okay. 5 minus 4 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Looking good so far. That's 17. Minus 9 is 8. 10 minus 9 is 1. I have correctly borrowed everything. I have not borrowed without paying my debt. 2 minus 1 is 1. Either way, I got 118,111. 118,111. Excellent. 3 down, 1 to go. 6 58, 201, minus 339, 26. 11 minus 6 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 minus 0 is 1. I did all of that borrowing correctly, I believe. 18 minus 9 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. I got 319,175. But I am going to double check my work again, just in case. 11 minus 6 is 5. This becomes a 10. Then I lose 1 to make it a 9. Minus 2 is 7. 1 minus 0 is 1. 18 minus 9 is 9. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, I believe that's correct. And there's our 100%. Like I said, friends, take a break when you're getting frustrated. Sometimes a few minutes, sometimes a few hours, sometimes just put the math book away and try again tomorrow. This is an important lesson, and I'm glad that we're learning it together.